Hi, this one's a very anticipated video on my Tiago. I found an AC filter on Amazon. It's really good. It's got one of these traditional bellow type meshes, and it's got a chunky frame compared to the shitty thing that the company gives. It's so transparent you can see the floor underneath it. So first impressions, looks like it's the same size except for the sides where this is really thin and this is chunky. So this one's flexible. It's a bit flexible because you need to flex it to get it inside, and there's no actual branding on the box. If you can see, yeah, that's what it says here, Absorb. On Amazon it just says generic brand, and the box that it came in is this. There's no branding on it. They've put tape everywhere, and that's all I can see. That's it. So let's just install it in the car and see if it fits, and how does the AC work after that. Before I put the new filter in, I'm just taking the opportunity to clean the condenser. I've never done this. This car's 4 years old. Take a spray bottle with some dishwash liquid, some antibacterial solution which I got from my hospital. I've been spraying non-stop. I've put this to collect the water if it spills out. That's a waterproof sheet. But thankfully it's all draining out from underneath the car right now. Just going to agitate a bit with the brush, clean it up, and then show you the final picture. After a lot of sweat, frustrations, I've managed to clean quite a bit of the condenser. I used dishwashing liquid, some antibacterial solution from hospital, and a small detailing brush. That one. This didn't do much, the brush, but you know, then after letting that soap settle in for 2-3 minutes, I used a running water pipe and pinched it with my finger. Okay, it's not the best in that corner because I can't access it that well, but you know, this side looks pretty good, and that's how I've got it clean. I'm going to try to put the filter in now. It's not flexible, it's really difficult to get in. I'm worried I might break it in the process of putting it in. The original is thin, flexible. This one's a big chunky frame. I am struggling. I don't know. Should I do it or give up? Or should I break it in the process of trying? Let's just give it one good shot. Even if I do get it in, this doesn't seem like a filter which I could regularly open to clean as I do on the cars that I own. And I've got the narrowest bit slotted in, but it's not getting in. I think I am going to sacrifice my 500 rupees and give this back to Amazon. If I could just squeeze it in slightly, I don't know how. There's somebody on Amazon who's bought it and he's given great praises for it. I don't know if he actually installed it. He put a photograph of it, taking it out of the box, but I really wonder if he actually got it in. Okay, some progress. So that's the trick. Finally, there we have it. Oh dear, that was not easy. That was not easy. And now I'll put this on. So I have got it in, and I'm just going to put this on and turn on the AC to see if it gives me good enough airflow. But this really isn't for those who want to clean it really frequently. It's like, not going to let you do it, and in the process you are going to break it, I'm quite sure. Oh well, so even this isn't fitting. Anyway, you've got the gist. that's how it was, and I think you might be happy to buy it and try for yourselves. I am going to keep this, I'm going to use it, and I'm also going to keep this in my boot because I know one day I'm going to break that one in the process of cleaning, and I'm going to have to use this one again. Alright then, bye. So we've got the AC on. The AC is working fine, there's wind on, really good speed coming through on the vents. I'm alright with this filter. It's a bit expensive, 440 rupees with 60 rupees delivery charge, but it's worth it if you are in really dusty cities like where I live. Alright.